Hello and welcome back to Archi Tools, your go-to channel for mastering Revit and BIM workflows. In today's video, we are diving into design options in Revit, one of the most underused tools for presenting yet an important part of the BIM process. It helps you present multiple design choices to clients within the same model. Let's get started. So this is an ongoing project, and in the first floor we have made a layout, but the client wants an option for the furniture layout in this region. This is a primary layout with a furniture layout like this, having TV on this side and a sliding door to the terrace balcony. The second option which the client wants is to have a furniture like this, and the door, which is a sliding door, in one option. He wants the second option to have a hinge door. So how we can make two options and provide a sheet for that? First of all, you need to understand that whatever we had made right now, we haven't used any design option yet. Everything is in the main model, as you can see below here. Here on the left side, you will find design options. If I click on that, there's an option set showing for us. Option 1 is the primary set. I'll explain you about the primary set. And we have two more options already present. So we need not to create more options for this. If you want to create another option, you can create one by going into new under the option section. You can also rename it by going into here. I'll close this. What we require is we need to copy this furniture, actually cut this furniture from here. Since it was present in the main model, I need to paste this into one of the options. Now, as you can notice that we have pasted the furniture in primary option set. So that's why if I go back to my main model, it will be showing the furniture layout here. But if we want to adjust or select this, we won't be able to work on this part just because it's in the option set and we are in the main model right now. We can adjust the orientation if we just untick this exclude options. Now we can select and adjust these furnitures which are even in the option set. Secondly, I want this door in one of the options. So I have to cut this door also and paste it in my option 1, which is our primary option. But since this is a hosted item, we have to copy wall as well. Otherwise, it will be showing error. So I'll just copy it, not cut it, just because we have made the rooms, and if I remove the wall from here, the room boundaries will misbehave. So we have copied it, and again I'll go on my option 1 and paste it. It is saying that two instances are in the same place. Yes, that is right. Since in the main model we also have this, so I'll delete it from the main model. So this is our primary option set. Now I have to create another option. So I'll go to my primary, select the items which I need to paste. I'll copy this and go to my option 2. If you go on to option 2, you can see the options part items are not showing. It is only showing the items of main model. So that's what we require. I'll paste my items into my current view and align it as per my design option. I place my furniture like that, rotate this, move it a little bit here, maybe keep this item like this. So we have made one of the arrangements. It is just for showing you the design option. Don't go into my designing right now. So I know it's not functionable, but just to show you how the design option works, I have made an option. Now we have made the option for the furniture. Again, I'll go to my primary site, option one, and I have to copy this also. I'll copy this and go to my option two. I'll paste and replace this door with a hinge door, placing it like this. And yes, we have provided two options for this. The next motive for us would be create two sheets with options. This will be our option one. So in the flow plan, I'll write option one and I'll duplicate sheet and name it as option two. Similarly, this is a view for showing the option one, and I have to duplicate this view also. Duplicate with detailing. I'll name it as option two, and we have to create a template also because we have one template for showing the option one, and we should have one more template for showing the option two. Now in this template, I'll go to edit, and in the design options, I'll go to drop down menu and select option two. So we have created an option view here. We just need to drag this into our sheet. So this was our main sheet having the primary option, and this is our second sheet as option 2 with another layout showing the hinge door and a different orientation of our furniture. And that's how you use design options in Revit to test multiple ideas without creating new files. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Archi Tools for more Revit tricks. If you have any queries, don't be shy to comment down in the video below. I'll see you in the next video.